Hi guys, let me show you how to add a photo inside a Word. So I have this image here that we are going to use. So first we click on the eye button here to hide the image. So we go to the type tool or the text tool, we type in the word that we want, which is for me is Galaxy, and choose the font and the size that you want. Then I'll just move it to where I want it on the image. So wherever you put it on the image, the background will show in the letters. Like here, this is what is going to show inside the letters. So once we have it, we just move the text layer underneath the background layer or the image layer. Click on the eye again to show the layer, and right click on the mouse, and then we choose clipping mask. So right click on the image layer itself, right click on it, clipping mask. Now we have the photo inside the image right here. If you want to add a background to it, it's easy. You go to layer, new fill layer, color fill, choose the color that you want, and OK. Move the color layer all the way down, and that's it. Here we have the text with the image inside it with a background to it. It's easy and simple like that. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.